Unlocking the secrets to maintaining intimacy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the depths of the English language to uncover the beauty and complexity of its vocabulary and phrases. Today, we're exploring a topic that touches the hearts of many: maintaining intimacy. Whether it's with a friend, a family member, or a romantic partner, understanding this concept is key to nurturing deep and lasting relationships. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets together. Intimacy is a term that encompasses much more than physical closeness. It represents a deep connection between people, characterized by mutual trust, understanding, and affection. It's about feeling safe enough to share your true self, your thoughts, and your feelings with another person. Intimacy can be emotional, intellectual, physical, or even spiritual. Each form is important, and maintaining a balance among them is the cornerstone of any strong relationship. One of the most critical aspects of maintaining intimacy is effective communication. This doesn't just mean talking about your day, but involves sharing your hopes, fears, and dreams. Listening is just as important as speaking. It's about acknowledging the other person's feelings and viewpoints, even if you don't always agree with them. Remember, communication is a two-way street that requires patience, understanding, and sometimes a bit of compromise. In today's fast-paced world, finding time to spend with loved ones can be challenging, but it's essential for maintaining intimacy. Quality time is about being fully present in the moment, without distractions from phones, television, or other external factors. It could be something as simple as a shared meal, a walk in the park, or a quiet evening at home. The key is to focus on each other and create meaningful experiences together. Maintaining intimacy also involves keeping the relationship exciting and vibrant. This can be done through small gestures of love and appreciation, such as surprise notes, thoughtful gifts, or simply saying, "I love you," often. Trying new activities together, setting goals as a couple, or learning something new can also inject fresh energy into the relationship. It's about continuing to grow together and keeping the flame of love burning bright. Maintaining intimacy is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to adapt and grow together. By understanding the different aspects of intimacy, communicating openly, spending quality time together, and keeping the spark alive, you can build and maintain deep, meaningful relationships that stand the test of time. We hope this video has shed some light on the beautiful complexity of maintaining intimacy. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating topics with you. Until next time, keep connecting, keep growing, and keep loving.